It is important for us to be aware of the chemicals that we are exposed to every day through skincare and cleaning products. Not only are we exposed to chemicals daily, but there are so many hidden in our products. Do you know an average woman wears 515 chemicals every day? Many people think about the foods we eat and what we put in our body, but they are unaware of what chemicals are in their skincare, cosmetics, and cleaning items daily. These products might contain harmful chemicals that can cause skin cancer, wreak havoc on our hormones, affect the nervous system, and irrigate our lungs and skin. We are exposed to many different chemicals every day, which lasts a negative effect on our health. You must know what's inside your favorite skincare or cosmetic products. We have brought brand new The Cleaning Up Your Life Beginner's Guide to Removing Everyday Toxins. Demonstrates to you how to eliminate these contaminants from your daily life. This ebook is from One Agora and Dr. Megan Kirschling. Dr. Megan has 20 years of experience practicing functional medicine and is dedicated to assisting others in leading healthy lives. When wanting to make these changes, it is hard to know where to start. That is where this ebook is a game changer. This book is a comprehensive guide of over 200 hours of research and writing time to put all that you need to know to start your journey to healthier choices. Adopt a healthy lifestyle today.